good morning, and welcome to a new day. This is a quick update on the trades that I took on EU and gold, and just quick update from the daily time frame. The thing that let me stay in the position yesterday is simply the day closing back above this daily fair value gap. So if I am bullish, okay, and my area of interest is the daily fair value gap. It's way better to see price closing back above the fair value gap rather than closing inside the fair value gap. If this candle closed at least at the middle or below the midpoint of this daily fair value gap, it means that buyers are not that strong to push price higher, and more likely this is gonna be a bearish setup. But if I see that buyers were able to push price and close it back above this daily fair value gap, this means that there's some chance of price going higher. So I'm still in the position on the EU, and the position is at the 2 hour time frame at this fair value gap over here. So, and my take profit is at this weekly high. Uh, Today there's news at 3:30. There's news at 3:30. This is the CPI news. Usually it makes a lot of volatility in the market as well as inflation rate year to date. So this is really important news coming at 3:30, which I think it's gonna uh, move price either way. So I really have nothing to do from here. I want to see price after the news just displacing higher above this high so that we have a better view for bullishness so that I can maybe add to my position after displacing higher. Maybe I will wait either this displacement or I will just wait another displacement from those two relative equal highs so that I can make an add up into the area of interest, which is the draw on. So far, really nothing to do from here, just staying in the position, protecting my stop loss, and I will just stay in during the news, regardless of the direction. The second position was on gold, as discussed yesterday, but the situation on gold is a little bit different. I just simply didn't like how this daily candle closed. It was extremely bearish, so I expected to see some wick like this, at least some buyers that are interested to be buying from this daily fair value gap, but this wasn't the case. And due to this daily close, I just scaled down on my position, and I'm waiting today to see if we can have like a bearish fair value gap and then price would retrace lower. So what could potentially be the setup from here is the following. So here's the 4 hour time frame. There's this fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame. It's huge, but it's still not tapped yet. And this is a 2 hour fair value gap as well as 4 hour fair value gap. So what I'm expecting from gold is another manipulation to the upside, balancing this H4/H2 fair value gap, then make a last move lower to sweep those lows over here. At the same time, tap into this 4 hour fair value gap, and then from here, I want to see a displacement higher to join buyers back into the next buy side liquidity. So at this candle was the daily close. Let's see it on the 2 hour time frame. This is the fair value gap. It aligns perfectly with this breaker over here. So what I want to see is another manipulation to the upside. I'm not interested to short from here. I just want to see the formation uh, build up step by step, and then I want to see a sweep to those lows, tapping into the H4 fair value gap, and then I want to see the displacement higher into the next buy side. So this is what I'm expecting from gold also during today's news. So let's stay safe. The week is still starting. We have a lot of opportunities, I think, this week. Yeah, and if you have anything, you can definitely ask me in the groups. And yeah, let's go. Have a beautiful day.